Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time, welcome. My name is Joy. Oh my god, so my trip to Nigeria, it was awesome. I'm back finally. I'm back home finally after 11 years, and it was a little bit emotional and everything. It's still like a dream to me. And I'm just waking up from sleep. I've been sleeping because it was a very long flight, and the flight wasn't really that bad. It was a lot less stressful for me. It wasn't really that stressful for me, and I am so excited to be home. So now that I've rested, we are going to unbox all the gifts that I bought for everybody. They have been disturbing me since I came back, and because I was so tired, I couldn't unbox it. I needed to rest a little bit, but now that I've rested, I am going to unbox everything. And yeah, I came back with all luggages, so yes, it's gonna be a lot. So let's do some unboxing.
About to unbox the whole gifts. They have been bothering me since I came back, and they cannot wait to see their gift. So let's unbox. So I finally made it home safe. It was a very long trip, but it wasn't stressful at all. But I came home with hugs and kisses from my family members after being away for 11 good years. And then it was time for me to unbox all the gifts in those 4 luggages, because I came home with a lot of gifts for everybody, and I could not unbox it the day I came back, and then I had to rest. After I rested, it was time to open those boxes, and you can feel the joy from them. You can see the joy from them, especially my nephews. They have been anticipating these gifts all along since I came back, always coming to me, hey mommy, hey auntie, can we open our gifts now? Can we open the boxes? And I kept telling them no. I was tired. Eventually the next day I had to unbox this, and there was a lot of gifts. There was gifts for everybody. They were all happy, and I am so glad and satisfied that I was able to put a smile on everybody's faces. They loved their gifts. They had more than enough gifts from me. It was a thing of joy for me, and I loved every bit of it, and I cannot wait to spend time with these little ones and my sister and every other members of my family. You know, my brother getting married, it's gonna be a joyful moment for me, spending time in Nigeria. Look at those shoes. Those are like Spider-Man shoes. They loved it. They loved their bags, the Spider-Man bags, the Paw Patrol bags for their school, and the lunch boxes. They loved everything. It was incredible, and I loved every bit of it. And thank you guys for watching today's video, and if you haven't, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell on, and share the video. Until next time, take care.